This is Olaf the airplane.
Who is it?
That's
Hello Kitty?
Hello Kitty and Jody.
Yep.
And I forgot her name.
Fifi.
Fifi.
Yeah. How did you know Jody's name?
No, because let's open this up now. Let's open this up.
Don't wait.
Let's open this up. Ooh, this is heavy. It's heavy.
Oh no, poor Hello Kitty.
Poor Hello Kitty.
Oh, Kitty. Let's move this box out of the way. Right.
So take everything out and open everything up. So open everything up.
Let me pop out Jody.
No. We'll pop out.
You want to pop out Piggy?
You
want to do it, Stevie?
Yeah. I do it better.
You think you do it better than me? Ah.
Nope.
Okay. Ready, Jody? You're going to get popped out. Pop. Boy, that was pretty tough. Wait a minute, Stevie. Let's see what's under here.
Nothing.
Okay, hold on.
Take this.
Hold on, Steve.
Let's open up this bag. I open it. Hey, see what's this? You better take this out and use this.
What is that, Steve?
Little shelf. Shelf and all this.
Oh, they're food trays, Steve. Ah, they're Hello Kitty food trays. How cute. But you don't get food on planes anymore. You just get nuts.
Sometimes you get food.
Too often. But Steve, take out the rest, baby.
Okay.
What is that? That is a wing. One wing?
I can get it.
Okay, you can get it out. You're a big boy.
Two legs out. Now I have to get the rest.
He's pushing us everywhere. Nice, Steve. We're gonna watch your work. We heard you're a really good mechanic.
I am. Really am.
Yeah, what do you do?
Fix cars.
What do you do to fix them?
Take out foods.
Oh, nice.
Change oil.
You change oil? You ever change tires?
Yep.
Hmm.
Change tires there too.
I think we need a different screwdriver.
Did it hard.
Yeah, I think we need a real one.
Yeah.
So what else do you do, Steve?
That's it. Change oil food.
What kind of food?
Oil food. Amateur micro food.
You're pretty talented. Do you like working?
Yeah.
I heard you also sweep the floor.
Yep.
You really keep the place clean. You're a good worker. So let's see, we have some apples. Yummy. Mommy loves these, huh, Steve? I eat a ton of apples. And a camera. Take pictures. Mommy takes millions of pictures of you, huh, Steve? And Steven hates being on camera now because of Mommy. And sandwiches. Yummy. Tea, my favorite. Yummy. Could I have a spot of tea, please? Certainly. Thank you. Oh, and there's more passengers. Oh, hi, Minnie. Hi. Could I join in the fun? This is going to be my first flight as Hello Kitty the pilot. Oh, I'm so so excited for you, Hello Kitty. Must have been very hard. Oh yes, it was a very, very hard.
Milk.
Very, very hard exam to pass, but I did it. I did it on the first try. Oh, congratulations, Hello Kitty. Oh, please wait. I need a ride. Hey, you can't leave without us. You can't leave without the pilot. What is food doing in all the chairs? Wait, you need more passengers, Steven.
Oh, my.
Oh.
Oh,
Olaf wants to come.
okay, Olaf.
What?
Olaf.
That's it? None of the other girls? Hey! Hey, you can't take off without me! Hey! Miss Piggy gets very mad. Hiya! Hiya! You can't leave without me.
I'm back. Bye.
Hello!
Bye.
What do you think, Steven?
They all had a good trip.
They had a good trip?
Yep.
Where'd you guys go?
Florida.
Oh, did you go to Disney?
Yep.
Did you meet Mickey Mouse?
Yep.
Hey! You met my boyfriend?
Yep.
Without me? That's
Yep.
where I wanted to go.
Where?
To Disney to see my boyfriend Mickey. Now I'm sad. I'm gonna cry.
Here, jump in the front seat.
Thank you. I love him so much. Thank you, Hello Kitty. All the people fell out when they were in the air. Oh, he's doing his important paperwork on his computer.
Ah, I'm out of the way. Ah, I'm out of the way. Ah. This guy wants to fun.
Hi, Fifi. Hi, Kitty. Hello, Kitty. Hello, Fifi.
Hi, Fifi. No, hi, Titty. Hi, Fifi. Let's take a right here.
Okay. So you know what they need, Steve?
What?
They need a stairway to get up into the plane.
No, they have a stairway right here.
All right. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna build. There's the door. So we'll build a stairway on a Play-doh.
It's hard.
Oh, that one's hard. All right.
No, it's not very hard.
No?
How do you make a staircase?
Well, we have to make different levels.
This?
Can you get that out for me, Steve?
No.
You don't know how to get out Play-Doh? You can't help your poor mom. Poor mommy.
Do it? You can do it. Go. Hi.
Yeah.
Play-Doh doesn't even work.
No? I can make a staircase.
I can't.
I'm gonna make a purple staircase.
Hmm.
I'm gonna make a purple staircase.
Where's hello?
Where is hello? Oh no. Hello and goodbye. Hello.
Can you
Hello. Oh, hi, hello. Kitty. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm just...
items right in this right back in. Let's try it. I'm gonna try to slide out. Somebody
All right, who wants to try to slide out?
me.
Okay, Jody. Go ahead, Jody.
Wee.
Ooh.
That's fun.
Yeah. Oh, it doesn't look like too much fun. Oh, the slide goes back up too. Okay. Ready? Bjorn. I am pilot.
I am the pilot.
Rebecca, I'm the pilot.
I'm the pilot.
Oh, yeah? You're very cute.
I'm a pilot.
And when did you become a pilot?
See my pilot's hat? See my pilot's thing?
Well, do you have a pilot's license?
Yep.
Oh, okay, then I guess you're the pilot.
Let's see. You have a pilot's license?
Slide on one side.
Yep.
Oh, what a messy plane.
Why?
Why?
Yeah, it is. Ah!
That is a very messy plane.
See, that's the one of a fifi.
Uh-oh. My elevator doesn't go to the top floor. My staircase doesn't go to the top floor, Steve. So, let's see. We'll make it. There we go. How about now? There we go. Okay. Everyone board. Everyone board. Everyone board the plane. I don't know. Come on. Can I? Oh, hello, princess. Oh, I'm the queen now. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Queen Elsa. Wow, that was Queen Elsa. That's exciting. Oh, sorry, Jody. Hey, don't get violent with me. Oh, don't be violent. That's not nice. Because you know what? I can kick you off the airplane yet. Oh, did you see that? It was Olaf. Olaf? I hope that we don't, it doesn't get too hot in here and you get melted. Don't hit her. This is Kelly. I'm Kelly, the other pilot. So I will just be directing traffic. Are you ready? You guys ready for takeoff?
Yep.
All right, so close them up.
Oops. Come on, close up. Close up. Close up.
Okay, now,
Get
ready?
on your seatbelts.
Right, hold on, Steve. Wait a minute. Ready? Move out of the way, Steve.
I know how to do it.
Well, wait a minute. Wait a minute. We're flying. This is so... Oh, no, there's turbulence. Oh, no, it's okay. I'm a good pilot. Oh, good job. Hello, Kitty. Let's close you up, though, so you don't fall out. Nothing worse than falling out of an airplane. Whoa, we're flying through the air. Oh, I'm doing a pop-up wheelie in the air. Oh, we landed. Whew. Thank goodness, we're all safe. Hi, you're still here. Well, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and the submit button.